Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by making the job safe and accessible. Park level, set the brake, and turn the ignition off. Use a flat trim tool and the correct screwdriver. These let you lift clips without cracking plastic. Once you see screws or clip points, start prying gently at the lower edge. You want to free the tabs, not break them. Move slowly and feel for resistance. When a tab releases, stop and work the next spot. This reduces the chance of hidden fastener damage and keeps alignment intact. Once the cover is off, you need to prepare the mating surface. Remove old adhesive and contaminants with a safe solvent. This ensures the new cover sits flush. Check each clip and tab. If a clip is bent, straighten it or replace the fastener to avoid stress on the new cover. Test fit the replacement part first. Press it into position just enough to confirm alignment. This step saves rework because you can see whether holes and tabs line up before applying permanent adhesive. You finish by securing the cover. Apply adhesive or engage replacement clips as recommended, then press firmly and evenly to seat all tabs. Reinstall any screws and hand tighten. Over-torquing risks cracking the cover. Once mounted, cycle the mirror through its full range to confirm there's no rubbing or binding. Make sure electrical connectors, if present, are reconnected. If something feels loose, remove the cover, clean surfaces again, and add a thin adhesive bead or swap in new clips. That single troubleshooting step fixes most common problems.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.